Hey guys, welcome back. So the next plugin we are looking at is vidIQ. This is similar to VoxScript. So this basically helps you to retrieve analytics and optimize your analytics. Or if you are planning to create a YouTube video, you want to benchmark all the possible videos, how they are performing. So you can do some of that stuff. So I have installed this plugin and this plugin is enabled. So let's see what all you can do. So to make it easier, since we have already gone through VoxScript, I didn't prepare detailed notes, but I will be looking at what this can do here. So this one is a much shorter video than what you have seen in the past. So basically the first topic here is what's trending. So trending videos, what are the top trending videos in US or any other country, or if you want to do gaming category, you can do. So let's basically see, since this is a series on ChatGPT plugin, I want to see the top trending videos on ChatGPT plugins in United States. And you can also give the timeline, past 7 days, past 32 days, or whatever you want, you can give that. You can see this plugin is being used and it gave this. So these are the top trending videos here. But it didn't get the data right. So that's something it's not performing well on, because the topic I asked it didn't do it right. So that's also I wanted to list as a limitation. So it didn't give me that level of granularity. But what I can do is, let me also ask, provide me the top trending videos in United States and share the most common theme and topic. So if I copy this prompt, as a follow-up, let's run this. Yeah, so this one would basically give us a similar list of videos, and the next follow-up prompt is where you see the magic. So can you cluster the above results by topic? So basically you would see what's a lifestyle category, what's a vlog, what's politics, what's current events. So you can actually get that. So if you are a content creator, this is something helpful for you. I think since you are getting views per hour, some of the other data, especially if you are making some short videos, this is like a really good way of doing it. And it's giving you that here. So it's giving what category it is and other stuff. So you basically know that, and you can tailor your content. And if you want it, can you cluster it by topic? So it will do a better level of customizations than what it's printed there. So it categorizes the video by category and it gives you a much more holistic view on what you are looking at. And after this, video transcript, I think we already have seen with VoxScript. Provide any YouTube video, it gives you the transcript for it. And I'm just showing you this can also do something similar here. So let me run this after this is over. So yeah, so we are now gonna see that for this plugin, we are gonna get all the transcript for our videos. And yeah, so here's the transcript. So it's just giving us some data on this, or you can try it with any other video. So that's basically it. And the third one is the video details. If you want data on video details, like how many likes are there, so you can provide a link to a video. Or let me do a much more complex prompt here. I am comparing two Taylor Swift songs, and one is Blank Space, another one is Wild Dreams. So let's see how this compares these two videos here. This one is like relatively longer since it does a transcript. So yeah, okay, so let me stop that. I think it would be relatively longer, and it's a 9-minute video of the transcript, so I would not be looking at all the 9 minutes. I just wanted to show you can get the transcript. So now we are benchmarking two of Taylor Swift videos. So we are getting benchmark for it. So one is Blank Space. So you see the URL description, and you can also see the channel ID, channel URL, the views it got, likes, comments, published date, video duration, and the category of it, and similarly the other one. And you can do anything with it. So you can ask this to convert it into a table, and or if you want to see daily trends and other stuff, you can ask it to generate charts for you. So you can do whatever you want. That's up to you. Just wanted to show this one exists. So if you like a video, so let's assume that you saw one video on ChatGPT plugins and it's very popular, and you want to know what tags work for that video and use it in your video, you can do that too here. You can just say give me what are the tags used in video, show me the tags used in the video with the ID. So it will give you all the tags. And similarly, last but not the least, you can get the SEO score by asking what's the SEO score, or how well is the video optimized for search. So that's totally up to you, and you will get all the tags that the user has used, and what works. If you want to reuse it, you can do that too. And this is the last one. So yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. Thank you.